So let's start, everyone. Let's begin by standing with your legs shoulder width apart, with your toes pointing forward, and just soften your knees a little bit and feel your spine lengthen long. And place your hands on your lower belly for some deep belly breathing. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you inhale, feel your abdomen expand. And then exhale out through your nose and feel your abdomen soften. So deep belly breathing is a wonderful way to begin our practice. So as you inhale, feel the abdomen expand like a balloon, so the belly button is pushing away from your spine. And then as you exhale out, feel your belly button pull inward towards your spine. So allow your belly to move. When we take deep breaths, we draw energy and power to the center of the body. And this is where we store, this is where our power is located, the center of the body. Take another breath in. And breathe it out. Now let's do another deep breathing technique. Chi belt breathing. So you'll just take the hands and you'll place them at the sides of the body, just below your rib cage. And feel your hands gently press in. And as you inhale, feel that expansion, but this time, feel as though your body is pushing against your hands. And then as you exhale, feel the hands draw inward towards the body. And again, deep breath in. And deep breath out. Keep going. This breathing technique really stretches the diaphragm muscle. And when the diaphragm muscle moves, it also gives the internal organs a lovely massage. Let's do that one more time. Good. So our last breathing technique that we're going to do is kidney breathing. So for kidney breathing, you're going to take the palms of your hands and you'll place them on your lower back. So with your hands on your lower back, again, your knees will be soft. Feel your tailbone drop down towards the earth and tuck slightly under. And then from here, you'll just take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in, breathe into the back. Breathe into the kidney space. Again, as you breathe in, breathing into the back, feeling that expansion of the low back. Sending energy and power to the kidneys. Kidney chi is the chi that's the foundation of all the other different types of chi in the body. So from the power and the energy that we're taking in from the air that we breathe, sending it down to the kidneys to give ourselves a bit more energy and vitality. Let's take one more breath together. Good. And then relax the arms down. Let's move on to the next exercise, knocking on the door of life. So we're going to turn from your hips and your waist. And as you do so, you'll just wrap your arms around your lower back and your waist, activating key pressure points in the abdomen and in the lower back. Again, bringing energy and power to the kidneys, giving ourselves a little energy boost. And this exercise is also great for invigorating your spine, the spinal joints. We're moving in two of the ranges of motion that the spine can do. So rotation to the right and the left. Now allow your front arm to tap the chest, so right in the corner of your chest, underneath your collarbone. And the back arm still taps on the lower back. Deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Now allow the hand to tap on the shoulder and the base of the neck, releasing any lines of tension in the neck and shoulders. Let's go back to the chest again. Again, moving from the center of your body. Spine is long and relaxed shoulders. Let's go back to the waist again. Looking a little bit more over your shoulder so you get that full rotation of your spine from the top to the bottom. Now allow your movement to slowly unwind. Slowly unwind until you are still. And just take a moment to observe the energy circulating through your body in the stillness. Now let's work on stretching out the muscles between the ribs and also lengthening the lower back. This exercise is called picking cherries. So you're going to reach your arms up towards the sky, towards the heavens, and feel your knees soften. I'll go profile so you can see. And you're going to curl your tailbone slightly under as you reach up. And then from here, you'll just do little reaches with the arms. And as you reach up towards the top of the tree, picking the ripest fruit on top of the tree, feel your connection to the earth. Feel your legs and feet anchored, and feel your pelvis drawing down. So you feel that wonderful stretch of those back muscles. This is a wonderful exercise to do if you spend a lot of time sitting. They say sitting is the new smoking. So you don't want to sit too long without getting up at some point and doing a little bit of movement. So nice, easy breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Now let's move on to the next exercise, which is the pump. So you're going to reach both arms up. You'll bend your knees, and as you bend your knees, you're going to drop the arms down and bend forward. You'll straighten your legs and lift your arms up towards the sky. Bend your knees, drop your arms down, and lift your arms and your spine up. So from another angle. So you bend your knees, you bend forward, you drop the arms, straighten the legs, lift the arms, bend the knees, drop the arms, and lift up tall. So with a little bit more flow, we swing the arms, we flex the spine, and we pump the legs. Breathing in, exhale out. This is a great exercise to warm up the body and the spine, as well as open up the lower back. In clearing energy, all the energy that you may be holding on to, release it, let it go. Imagine that you're dropping it into the earth where it can be composted and transformed. Let's do 2 more. Good, now lift the arms up. I'm going to face forward again, just so you can see me head on. Open the arms out and down.